This is Mark Inman from iGenerate, Affordable Solar. This is a tutorial on how to use the enlighten app to get onto your Envoy on your local network, so you can see what your solar system is doing and how much power you're consuming instantly without waiting for the delay. Click through to the Enlighten app. It will bring up your system. You can see what you've done for that day. If you click on the menu button, the bottom right corner, you can see a list of selections. Select devices. It will tell you whether you're connected to the Enlighten network. Connect locally. It will show you if it can see the Envoy, so that you are on the same network. Click the connect button. It will take you through to the website and then bring up your Envoy details, and that will show you what you're producing and what you're consuming at that moment. Any questions? Look on our website or give us a call 0800 745 400. Thanks.